Hey Jaguars, Miss Paraso here with your Webb Way Winners. But first, a dad joke. I know you've missed them, so I'm bringing it back. All right, why did Mars break up with Saturn? She just needed some space. I know you're laughing. All right, but for real, let's get to the Webb Way Winners. This week for a 6th grade Webb Way winner is Von Nielsen, nominated by Mrs. Medden. Mrs. Medden says, "Thank you for your help in class. Way to show that citizenship." Our 7th grade Webb Way winner is Sophia Zhang, nominated by Miss Allenson. Miss Allenson says to Sophia, "Thanks for working hard in math." Way to show that responsibility. And our 8th grade Webb Way winner, nominated by Mrs. Wood, is Veer Jane. Wow, respect, citizenship, and responsibility, Veer. That's awesome. Thank you for being a good role model and problem solver. Way to go. All right, guys, this week we're going to be having reverse Webb Way. What's that? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Okay, that means that this time you guys are going to get these little orange cards for this month, and you're going to be giving them out to your teacher for a chance for them to win a Webb Way prize. So all you have to do is put your name and the teacher you would like to nominate and the reason why on the back, and circle the Webb Way value word that you think that teacher exhibits. It could be all of them, just one of them, whatever. Then give it to your teacher, and if you need more than one, because we have some pretty awesome teachers here, feel free to pick some extras up in the office. Now, time for the Webb Way Class of the Week. Our Webb Way Class of the Week is Dr. Barquette's 6th grade Compass class. He says that his Compass class is very helpful all the time. I especially need their help on Monday mornings. And on Monday, August 16th, they did great. Bravo, Compass. And our student pick for a Webb Way Class of the Week is Miss Polifrone's 9th period 6th grade class. And that was nominated by Aditya. He says, "Enthusiasm is contagious. Miss Polifrone teaches in a way that seems like she's our friend and not our teacher. And this is the perfect way to close off the day." I agree with you wholeheartedly, Aditya. I'm so glad you recognized your class. If you have a class that you would like to nominate for the Webb Way Class of the Week, don't forget to scan the QR code. We'll see you next week. Bye.